Hey, Kevin! Want to play football this afternoon? Sorry, Mike, I can't today. Oh no, why not? Are you busy? Yes, my dad is picking me up. We're going to the movies. I cannot wait to see it. That sounds awesome. Bye, Mike. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Kevin. It's 5 o'clock. Dad is always on time. I can't wait to see the new movie. It's about a giant robot.
He is gonna love this movie. Good thing I already got the tickets. Why is everyone stopping? Great, I'm gonna be late.
It's 5:30 now. Where is he? Maybe he's buying popcorn. Or maybe he's still looking for parking. I'm getting hungry. This isn't like Dad. He's never late.
Come on, move! Hey, blue car, don't cut in line! Oh no, this is a massive traffic jam. We're not moving at all. It's 5:45. The movie starts at 6. Kevin must be waiting. He's probably worried. I need to call Sarah. No! My battery's almost dead! Where's my charger? It's still at the office! Ugh, this is a disaster.
It's getting dark now. And cold. No movie tonight, I guess.
Kevin? Is that you? Why are you still here so late?
Hi, Mr. Robert. My parents haven't come yet. I'm starting to worry.
Don't worry, buddy. Here, use my phone. Try calling them.
Please pick up, Dad. It went to voicemail. His phone must be off.
Try your mom instead.
She's not picking up either. Maybe she's driving, or stuck in traffic too. Wait, I know what to do. I'll send a text instead. It's faster. Mom, Dad, don't worry, I'm taking a taxi home. Sent. Now they'll know I'm okay.
Smart thinking, Kevin. Let's find you a taxi.
Taxi! Over here!
Be careful, Kevin. Get home safe, all right?
Thank you, Mr. Robert. Bye.
Good evening, young man. Where are your parents tonight?
Good evening. I'm heading home by myself today.
That's very brave of you. Do your mom and dad know you're in a taxi?
Yes, I already sent them a message.
Well done, kiddo. And good job buckling up, too.
My mom always says, safety first. Could you take me to 145 Bluebell Street, please? Do you know where that is?
145 Bluebell Street. Is that near the big park?
Yes! Just past the park, then turn left at the bakery.
Got it. Here we go.
Mr. Driver, why are there so many red lights tonight?
It's rush hour, my boy. Everyone's heading home from work, just like you.
My dad's probably stuck in this traffic too. Excuse me, what's that little machine?
That's the meter. It counts the distance and how much you'll pay.
It already says $4. Fast.
Don't worry, we're almost there. Here we are, 145 Bluebell Street. Safe and sound.
It says $5. Here's a $10 bill.
And here's your $5 change. That's change plus your receipt.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a good evening. Kevin? Kevin, answer me!
Sir, please calm down. No need to shout. Are you Kevin's father?
Yes, I'm Dustin. Where's my son? Why were you so late?
Why were you so late? That boy waited a long time.
I know.
It's all right. He's safe. He took a taxi home by himself.
A taxi? Oh, thank goodness. I need to get home right now.
That art contest was so fun! Mom, the judge really loved my painting.
He did. He said your colors were beautiful.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Raya. Kevin! Wait, where's Dad? Is he parking the car?
No, Dad's not with me. What do you mean? Who brought you home?
I took a taxi. I came home on my own.
On your own? I'm okay, Mom.
I used my pocket money to pay for it.
You scared me so much, Kevin, but I'm so glad you were very brave, my little boy.
Kevin! Kevin!
Thank goodness you're okay.
You made it home. Kevin, I'm so sorry. I got stuck in traffic, and then my phone died. I couldn't reach anyone.
Calm down, Dustin. He's safe now. But let's remember today, next time, please watch the time and check the traffic before you go.
You're right. That was my mistake.
But Mom, Kevin was amazing today.
But remember, going off alone is dangerous. Please stay put and wait for us, okay?
I promise, Mom. Today I had a pretty wild taxi adventure. But friends, please don't try what I did. Always wait for your parents and stay safe.